Hi, welcome to Trader's Diary. This is my journey to become a better trader. In my video on April 19th, I shared the trading idea of the Bank of China. The link to the last video is here. Watch that video to understand the idea of this trade. It has been 1 month since then. In this video, I will review the performance of that trade. First, let's look at the daily chart from last month's video. My entry was here. This is my first target, which was just reached when I recorded the last video. This is my second target. Now let's see how BOC has fared in the last 1 month. This is the daily chart from today, May 17th. The second target was reached on April 29th and recorded a higher than average trading volume. This higher trade volume indicates the possible entry of big players sweeping up stocks, or big players who are already holding the stock marking up prices to pull in retail traders. Hence, I would take the bottom of this day's candlestick as a strong support. This support should not be broken if the current uptrend is to continue. There was a pullback in the following 3 days, retesting the new support, before rebounds higher. Since the second target is reached and successfully retested, using the same amplitude, I have added the next 2 targets. The third target was just reached yesterday on May 16th. After yesterday's explosive move, the traders need some time to digest it. Today, it opened slightly lower than yesterday's close. We can see from the long top and bottom wick that buyers and sellers are pushing hard against each other. The sellers would probably test the buyers' will in the next few days. There might be a pullback to test the bottom of yesterday's high trading volume candlestick. There are about 7 weeks till the dividend X date. I expect most investors will hold their long position until the X date before taking their next move. My profit so far is about 21%. For now, I would move my stop up to the most recent low to protect at least 16% profit. And just wait and see how the price develops in the coming weeks. I will do another update in 1 month's time, if nothing exciting happens in the next 30 days. Otherwise, you will get a flash update immediately after any exciting moves. In the meantime, sit back, relax and watch your account grow. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss fantastic trades like this. Let's get better at trading. Thank you for watching.